Are you locked out? Have you lost your keys? Not sure who to call? You need a locksmith company that guarantees the fastest, most efficient, and affordable locksmith service available. We are the Lock Squad, a fully licensed and insured locksmith company providing 24-hour service to residents in Orlando, Florida. If you're near Kissimmee, Windermere, Winter Park, or Winter Garden, we've got you covered. Also, we provide service to residents in Naples, Florida. If you're near Bonita Springs, Fort Myers, Estero, or Marco Island, give us a call. We handle all lock and key related services for automotive, commercial, and residential locks. Our focus is on providing top-notch 24-hour service. No matter the time, day, or night, we guarantee to be fast, honest, experienced, and capable. Check us out online at locksquadinc.com, or if you're in the Orlando, Florida area, call us at 352-577-8238. For the Naples area, call 239-370-1858. We are the Lock Squad.